Welcome to Luxury Wheels, your gateway to the world of ultimate wealth, power, and luxury. Today, we take you on an exclusive journey into the skies with the top 5 most expensive private jets in the world. These flying palaces are not just about travel, they are statements of unmatched elegance, prestige, and extraordinary engineering. So fasten your seatbelts, because what you're about to see will redefine your idea of luxury. Number 1 is the legendary Airbus A380 Private Jet, owned by Saudi Prince Al Walid bin Talal. With a price tag of over $500 million, it stands as the most luxurious private jet ever built. This double-deck giant is more than just an aircraft, it's literally a palace in the sky. Inside, you'll find prayer rooms, a grand lounge, a private cinema, and even a concert hall. Every corner reflects royalty, from the marble floors to the crystal chandeliers. Imagine cruising above the clouds while living in a flying mansion. This is the ultimate symbol of power and luxury. At number 2, we have the Boeing 747-8 VIP, famously called the Dreamliner of the billionaires. Costing around $367 million, this aircraft is designed to be a floating 5-star hotel. It boasts massive space with luxury bedrooms, private offices, dining halls, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. The exterior, finished in a glossy silver body with deep navy stripes, adds to its majestic presence. Number 3 is the stunning Airbus A380 XWB, priced at $366 million. It is celebrated for its advanced fuel efficiency, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort. Step inside, and you are welcomed into a futuristic lounge, luxury bedrooms, and even a private conference suite. The interiors blend pearl white and silver finishes with subtle gold accents, giving it a clean, elegant atmosphere. Taking the 4th spot is the Boeing 787-8 BBJ, also known as the Boeing business jet. Valued at $324 million, this jet is a masterpiece of modern technology combined with luxury. Built with lightweight carbon composites, it offers exceptional fuel efficiency and range. Inside, the cabin is designed like a private luxury villa, featuring conference halls, private suites, and a lounge. The interiors come in royal blue and cream leather, enhanced with golden trims for a regal feel. And finally, at number 5, we have the Gulfstream G700, one of the most advanced private jets on the market. Although it comes at a relatively smaller price of $78 million, it is still unmatched in comfort and speed. The G700 is equipped with reclining leather suites, a 20-passenger capacity, smart ambient lighting, and ultramodern entertainment systems. Its sleek metallic silver body with thin black stripes makes it a true beauty, both on the runway and in the skies. Known for its long range and ultra-fast speed, it is the favorite choice of business tycoons and celebrities. The G700 proves that size doesn't define luxury, innovation and comfort do.